Guys, they're kicking me off the ship today. That's right, they are kicking me off the Allure of the Seas. So much going on today. I'm trying to take you all with me. There's a lot going on. So if you watched, I don't know, the other video from the other day, I said I might have to transship to the Symphony. That's exactly what I have to do. We're in Costa Maya, Mexico today. I just went through customs and immigration back there. I had to get up with all my bags and fill out all these forms, and I had to pay $40. Well, actually $39. I was like, give me my change. Anyway, I'm gonna take you all with me through the process of what it takes to disembark a ship in the middle of a cruise in another country, in Mexico, and then embarking another ship in the middle of that cruise. I can't even talk anyway, but before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. So now what we have to do is go to guest services desk and get a clearance card. And the clearance card is just basically what says, it says that you've paid your bill. You know what I'm saying? If you don't get a clearance card and you're trying to disembark in the middle of a cruise, you will not, I repeat, you will not be able to disembark. They're gonna make sure that you have that. And this is a good video to do because sometimes emergencies happen, sometimes things happen, and you might have to disembark the ship early in the middle of the cruise. So I had to get up early, pack all my bags, turn in my passport, fill out this customs form. It's a lot, but I've been doing this for 12 years, so I knew today was gonna be crazy. But I am so glad that you guys are with me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take the stair. Oh, wait. Oh, here's the elevator. Okay, let's get our clearance card. Whew. All right, guys. There she goes. We're right next to the Symphony. We just got off the Allure. She's right here. This is crazy. We're in Costa Maya, Mexico. We have the bags. The children are ready to go. So let's go to the Symphony. I'll see you soon, girl. Okay, guys. So the Allure is right behind me here, and we are standing at the gangway of the Symphony of the Seas. Everybody's getting off, getting ready to enjoy their day in Costa Maya. And I am here with the children, getting ready to embark the ship. So it's a gorgeous day here. They said it was gonna be cloudy, but it's not. And I know you're like, where's the sunshine? It's because I'm standing under these life tender boats. So right now, we're waiting on guest admin to come get me. They've got to inspect the bags, make sure I don't have anything crazy in here. And then I should be able to get on the ship and hopefully head to my room and get unpacked. I need to go to the gym. I didn't go this morning, so I literally have my gym clothes on. I'm a disgusting, sweaty mess right now, but that's all right because we're going to the gym to sweat anyway. But I'm so excited because the last time I was on the Symphony of the Seas, I was only here for like a day and a half and then I had to go. So I can't wait to show this amazing, beautiful ship to you guys. But this is cool. I literally got off the Allure and I just made a right, and here I am at the Symphony. This is dope. This is dope. All right, so I will see you all once I embark the Symphony of the Seas.
Perfect place to go and have some fun. Relaxation in the summer sun, riding the waves of the ocean. I've been searching for a mighty long time for my favorite.
Whew, guys, and like that, we're here. We're on board. Shout out to Marlon, Deck 5, Promenade. So now I need to register my credit card, and then I'm gonna head to my room, try to unpack. I don't have a junior suite this time, I know, but we're only here for a few days, so it's all right.
Come and say, I'm choosing royal, oh, 'cause they're so good to me.
Guys, we made it. We're here. Oh my goodness. I gotta tell you, I was really anxious because I haven't disembarked a ship in the middle of a cruise since before COVID. So I didn't know, what kind of things changed or whatever, but we made it. I think the whole process might have taken about an hour and a half. I'm here. I'm going to get unpacked. I'm not going to unpack a whole lot because I'm only here for 3 days, and just get the things that I need to set up in here. This is the room. I'm not going to shoot a full room tour because it's not really much to show, but this is an ocean view stateroom, and because you have a view of the ocean. I don't know why you have a view of the ocean, and then we don't got a tub. But what I do like about these newer ships is, oh right, I can't turn the light on. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, what I do like about the bathrooms on here is you have a door instead of a shower curtain. So that's really, really cool. So there's your shower on the Symphony. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of my day. I really, really, really need to work out. Like, I just don't feel right unless I work out. So I'm gonna work out and then see what other shenanigans we get into before closing this video out. This is really random, but I'm loving season 3. All right, see you in a bit. You guys, I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do when I hit 2,000. And it feels surreal. I think I'm gonna go live, but we just hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you to everybody on board the Allure of the Seas for crossing me over to 2,000. This feels incredible, phenomenal, fantastic. It's like your hard work is paying off. I'm so thankful. You see the Symphony, she's gorgeous. What better place to be than to bring in 2,000 subscribers. Thank you to all of you all, my regular watchers that tune in. I can't name all of you guys right now, but I love you. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. This is just crazy. I'm just very, very thankful. I'm gonna go have a little glass of champagne. I hope you guys pop into my live I'm getting ready to do. I love you guys. I'm wrapping this video up here. I am so tired. I went to the gym. My arms are tired from pulling the suitcases up the gangway, but we're here. We made it. I love you guys. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Right. 2K.
The lady still thanks you for watching.